Hey guys, we are here at Cortex Elevators HQ, Bauer Foreshore 2.0. So without further ado, let's get started. They added emergency phones to their elevators right there, and the freight elevator too. So we're gonna ride the freight elevator. It's been modernized. It used to have innovation decorator, the outline edition. I have that key card scanner. Here we go.
3 more of you, and I have like a half heart. Dang it, I was gonna.
Here at P3. Love it. And they also fixed the doors on this elevator.
They just dodged.
Because these were death traps. Here we go.
I really don't want to die now. I mean, I don't want to fall. Because, like, I'm really trying my best. Please work with me, Mary. That way I can just stop playing this game. This is like...
Here's the freight elevator. They took out the keys card scanner. So let's ride it. Look at how nice it is. Especially that engraved button, because there's a long button in there. Yeah, I knew it. And this elevator, take a cab view. Look. Very, very, very big. I like this elevator. I think that's just the alarm. Let's go down to P3. See, they added emergency phones. Here we go.
No! Oh my god. Shut the frick! I don't want to hear it talk, Mom. It's your fault. This video...
Here at P3.
Ladybug and Teddy, you're the worst fighters.
I think basement's locked.
You are listening to music. I didn't think the fighters so dude.
Yeah, let's go up to the basement. Maybe not.
You're so badass fighters, bro. You been doing this for years. Well, they actually did this in like 1 day.
Very annoying freight buzzer. It's a very nice elevator. Here we go.
You're fighting every single day. Why are you not getting strength? Bruh. Somebody ate all of this and I wanted some of it. Because said Daddy hates the fact that they're like they're Cheetos. They look just like Cheetos. And they're my favorite. I love Cheetos.
Here we're at B. I think it's going to reset us.
Oh, great. Bro, wait, what just happened to him?
They did.
Bro, what happened to you? It's like you just did a disgusting split. Damn. Oh my gosh, already. How to kill you? Die.
Yeah, guys, it restarted us. We're going to call the elevator up. Well, it's coming up anyway, but call up the elevator. Door open.
This guy right here gotta go. So
This is an amazing elevator. There, the interlock. 0226. Yeah, now the door close warning is going off. P3. I like this long bar button. It's very nice.
I can't do it. Bro, this game makes no sense. It's so glitch. AT&T, you suck. My god, what's wrong with AT&T?
It also has an alarm bell.
Bro, wow. I don't even see you guys do it.
I think they also did it to the 5th Commerce Tower. I haven't really been there. I gotta go back to the 5th Commerce Tower to see if they actually put emergency phones in the main elevators and the high-rise elevators. Because they may have done that, and they may have put it in the parking elevators too. Because these are supposed to have emergency phones. This panel.
Oh my gosh, Mary.
SL.
I mean, Ladybug, you suck. Okay, I'm done. I would rather abandon.
That is a mesh.
I'm not gonna do it.
None of this is text label. That's a mesh. I like that. I like that engraved button.
I don't know
I'm in the process of doing that on one of my elevators. Here we go.
I can say whatever I want. I'm controlling you idiots. Well, you're not idiot, but I'm just saying. And I think I should play Immortal Rising because I need your help with Immortal Rising. So I'm going to take that out instead.
Here we are at SL, storage lobby. Well, it's not storage lobby, but it's street. Street lobby. It's supposed to be ST, but classic opening.
Get in the friggin' Nintendo.
Now it's closing.
Gosh, I had a hard day today. My mom was pulling my hair out.
So we're gonna ride these elevators. They look like they're made by ThyssenKrupp because this has a ThyssenKrupp call panel. Well, it's the control panel, which you need key switch for, a key for.
100 actually.
See, they added emergency phones. I'm glad they did that because if there were no emergency phones, they're not hooked up yet. They probably will hook them up. They have to hook them up because they're not working. If you push the button, it's not going to turn on. There's not going to be anything. Here we're at 20. The motor kind of, that DC high-pitched sound kind of goes into your brain. Take C. When we go down to 1, I'm probably going to get one of those indoor view elevators. And not the outdoor view elevators. Circular cab deal. It's an awesome elevator. Cortex elevator company. Well, you only usually see these buttons in Canada, and take a look at the car top. There's no car top controls. They gotta find a way to design newer car top controls other than the one I have. Like, I'm gonna probably design a real life Schindler car top control system that kind of looks like the Minnesota one. So I'm gonna try to get this car, but none of these have car top controls. None of the elevators here. They used to have car top controls, but they no longer do. So we're probably going to be sending multiple cars up to get these. Hopefully. D, car D. I want to try to get the indoor one. Yes! They added emergency phones to all of these. I like that. Here we go. And they're like 20-floor MRL traction elevators. The fact that it has 20 floors and it's a machine room less unit. 20th floor going down. We're not taking elevator B this time. It's telling us to take elevator B.
Okay. But that's the problem. See that one over there? See that one over there? I can't get over there. And this block right here is heavy. This needs to be heavy. This is a feather. So like,
take elevator D.
Like me. And the only way
take elevator B. I'm going to close it. Here we go.
The only way for me to get out of this area is that I need a block or something. And if those two go off, then they're like...
The shipping port door will not open, so I'm assuming it's key carded, so we cannot ride the elevator. I don't know if it's modernized or not.
Get across.
Now they just made it so realistic. I like that. They made it very realistic. Like, it's absolutely crazy. See, re-level. It was kind of under-leveled. I was wondering why. See, look at that realistic door equipment.
I have electrical magnet, but like I need a rock or something.
See how thin those ropes are? They look like decal. And there's no inspection controls for this elevator. I think they're either inside these panels over here on the side of the elevator car. Well, the doors, you can see. See the realistic clutch? I have that realistic clutch, but it's less realistic than that one. Take elevator C. Try to watch it go up, so to close the doors.
That's what I have to read, but I can't.
The toe guard is the same realism as mine. And there it goes. Yeah, these elevators are very nice. They do not have the electro drive out to the public yet, so if you are looking for the Cortex electro drive and want it, it is not open to the public yet. I am going to have to ask the owner when is that going to be released, because these elevators are too incredible to remain not open to the public to buy, to the general public of Roblox to buy, because none of these are open to the general public for Roblox to buy yet, for any Roblox user to buy yet, actually. So yeah, and I'm glad we got a ride on that freight elevator. Goodbye.